model, 66-plate Volkswagen Crafter CR35 2.0TDI 114PS long wheelbase, our Euro 6 motorcycle ramp nice starstruck. Body, grey, panel van. Mileage, 320,673. MOT, the 12th of October 2024. Engine, 1968 cc 2.0TDI 114PS EU6. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. There's a slight coolant leak coming from the oil cooler, head gasket is fine, just needs the oil cooler replacing, nice simple common job grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average